Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel Programming with DPWala. Today we are discussing the problems from the CodeShip Cook of February challenge, and we are discussing the one of the very interesting problem from the this contest, that is minimum duty. The overall difficulty level of this problem is 1902, and this problem is not very difficult. Only few important concepts are required to implement this problem. The approach behind this problem is binary search and two pointer technique. So to calculate the answer in the given constraint is the challenge for this problem. So let's discuss this problem. So here we are given an array which are having n non-negative integers, and we need to calculate the beauty of from this array which is having the subsequence of length 3, and we need to find the beauty with the help of this formula. The formula is 3 into absolute of mean of s minus mean of median of s. So here mean is nothing but the a plus b plus c up to n divided by total number of values, and median is the middle value of the array. But here we need to calculate the beauty for the particular subsequence, and the subsequence is of length 3. They have mentioned in the question. So here we need to calculate the minimum such value possible for this. Means we need to calculate the minimum possible value of the beauty. So how we can approach this problem? So here first we can see the constraint for this problem. So here the range for our n is given as from 3 to 5 into 10 to the power 3, and we need to calculate our minimum beauty possible for the particular 3 size subsequence in the given range only. So to solve this problem, one must be check all the given constraints first to solve any problem. So let's discuss this problem with the help of the approach and what technique are required to implement this problem. We are discussing binary search technique to implement this problem. So let's discuss. So here is the approach. So before starting with the starting explaining the approach, I will tell all the users that whenever you are attempting any problem, any coding problem, let's think in terms of any math algorithm, or we can say on any mathematical trick, because in this problem they have given one formula and we need to minimize that formula. So we need to think in terms of mathematics only, and which is the appropriate algorithm which can be applied to solve this problem. So to solve any coding problem, one must solve this with the help of pen and paper. This will give us the correct idea and this is the good habit to solve any problem. So let's discuss this problem and its approach. So the value that we need to calculate is from this formula only. The formula is 3 into absolute of mean of s minus median of s. So here, so to attempt this problem, what we need to do is that, as they have mentioned in the question, they have mentioned that we need to choose the subsequence of size 3. Means we can choose any 3 numbers from the array, and we need to minimize this value. So what we can do, let's take 3 values as bi, bjk and bk. And what is the mean of these 3 values? It is simple, bi plus bj plus bk divided by 3. And what is the median? Which is nothing but the middle value. So bj is the middle value. So this is our median. So we need to minimize this value. So we put mean and median in this formula. So after putting all the values in this formula, we have put mean and median. So the final value we get is bi plus bk minus 2 into bj. Means we need to minimize this value. So here is the catch. From this formula, what we can say, the trick that can be found from this formula is that to minimize this value, bj must be close to bi plus bk. Means to get the minimum value, bj must be close to bi plus bk. So we need here, what we can do is that we can fix our 2 points and we can calculate the third value from that 2 points. But here, as you are thinking that we can easily find bi, bk and bj by applying the 3 for loops. But as in the question, and as I have mentioned that in the constraint they have given the n value is from 3 into we can say 3 to 5 into 10 to the power 3. Means we can at max apply 2 for loops, and the third for loop we can't apply because otherwise it will give TLE. So to calculate that, we need to fix two values, and we need to by using that two fixed values, we need to find the third value. So here what we can do, we can apply the sorting techniques, because after sorting, what we can do is that we can afford OM square solution, because for the as we have fixed the two values, we can easily apply two for loops, which means that after fixing the two values, we can optimally find the third value by using the several searching techniques. So this can be very optimized solution and can be done easily in the given constraints. So here what we can do, we can fix the 2 points I and k and try to find the best possible value of j. So here what we can do, simply we can sort the our given array, and we can find the element, or we can say the bj value in the range in between bi plus bk divided by 2. Means what we can do here, I have written that bj must be greater than equal to bi plus bk by 2, or which is less than equal to bi plus bk by 2. Means this is the two values which is possible for bj to be closest to bi plus bk divided by 2. So what we can do here, we can apply binary search. Here why I am saying binary search, because here we can simply see that if bj is greater than equal to bi plus bk by 2, means we are searching for the smallest bj value, and if it is less than equal to bi plus bk by 2, means we are searching the largest value. So here we can easily apply binary search. We can easily apply its two technique, that is lower bound and upper bound. Here lower bound can be used, and we can easily search for the bj value in the given array, in the given constraint only. So now our questions become quite easy and can be solved in the this given complexity O of n square log n. N square is for the two values that we have fixed, and for the searching the third value, log n times, as we are applying the binary search. Now the question becomes quite easy. So now let's once again revise all the points that is required to solve this problem, so that you can apply, or we can say apply this concept and write the code for it. Rather than explaining the code, I will give you the hint related to this problem, so that the proper understanding can be built. So here first what we have done, we have checked this formula. We have read the question clearly, and we got that this formula need to be minimized. So we have put mean and median in this formula, and we got this formula. After getting this formula, we come to know that bj must be close to bi plus bk. So what we can do, whenever there is a condition that we need to find any value in the given, any value which is close to something. Here as bj, we want bj which need to be close to bi plus bk, means we are wanting such value which must be less than or greater than. So at that time we can easily apply binary search. So here lower bound, which is one of the functions of binary search, plays an important role here. So here after that, as we have fixed the two values I and k, so we require two for loops for that. So we have handled O of n square there, and for searching the third value, we have applied binary search, which can runs in log n times, and hence we got our optimal solution. So what we can do, what you can do is that you can apply all these 4 to 5 methods and solve this problem by your own, so that it can be helpful to you in understanding binary search and sorting technique in a very efficient manner. And 2 to 3 more most important things for implementing this problem is that you need to ensure that I, j, k are distinct, and you need to find the minimum value. In case you are calculating any such value and you are facing difficulty in that we are not getting the actual minimized value, at that time think that we need to minimize this formula. So you need to calculate the minimum value. Hope these hints are very helpful in understanding this problem, and you got the approach behind this problem. This problem can be easily solved using sorting and understanding that formula and applying binary search. There are alternative ways to solve this problem as well. One is the two-pointer technique that also requires the same time complexity. Hope this video is helpful in understanding this problem. If you have watched this video till this point, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay connected for more such code chef, code forces and lead code contest analysis. Thank you. Happy coding.